Namaste. How are you, Menu?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hey, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
How are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey, Binoy, how are you?
Hey, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And again, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Too fed up with this, right? Whenever we need to ask about the well-being of a person, we are more likely to ask, how are you? And when we ask this question, we always reply, I'm fine, thank you. If you want to make a difference, you're at the right place because I'm here with a brand new How Are You series from English Partner. Let's make a difference together. Welcome to yet another informative and interactive episode of our special How Are You series from English Partner. In the previous video, we have discussed about few replacements to ask how are you when you meet a person. However, today we'll be discussing on some fun replacements or fun ways of asking a person how are you. So are you ready to be that fun person in your gang and have that cool image? If yes, then let's start. So the first replacement we'll be learning today is, what on earth are you up to? You can use this statement with your close friends who are like very irritating and messy. When you meet them, you can ask them, what on earth are you up to? But make sure that you are very close with this person because this can be taken in a very rude way if you're not that attached to this person. Another way of asking how are you in a very fun way is howdy. It's basically how do you do? And if you want to be that extra cool person in the gang, you can ask howdy doody. It's basically how you doing? Another fun way of asking how are you is what's cooking? And if you're taking the statement with your wife or your girlfriend or partner, maybe to make a statement more impressive, you can ask, what's cooking? Good looking. But make sure you use it with the right intonation and with the right people, or else that won't be that impressive. And here in this case, you might feel that the spelling is wrong because we say cooking instead of cooking and looking instead of looking. But since we are using this in a very informal way, we use looking and cooking, but we write it in a different way. Imagine a situation you meet a friend who is very happy and who is blushing and you have no idea what is happening around and you actually want to know what is happening. So instead of asking how are you, you can ask why the glow. And moving on to the next one, the last but my favorite, sup. It's basically asking what's up. So, sup. Being with friends and people around you is actually fun, and if you want to be that extra funny and sassy person in your gang, use these replacements and create your mark. I'll be back with another episode of the special How Are You series. Until then, bye.